Our goal here at Big is to empower our users to take control of their financial destiny, which is why we rebuilt our application to make it easier, simpler for you to manage your assets and grow your rewards. Hi, my name is Kun. I'm a product manager here at Big. In this video, I'm going to guide you through some new features in our mobile application and also answer some of your FAQs. Okay, let's get started. We heard you. We made things much smoother. There are 5 new key features. First one is staying in control of your rewards. We now display exactly how much you're going to earn and when you're going to get it. Keep track of all your payouts and get peace of mind when your next one's going to come as well. There's a new calculator tool for full transparency on how much you can actually earn on Cake itself, allowing you to compare all our different services and our different products, letting you see which product gives you the most return. You can now merge and upgrade your allocations as well, allowing you to streamline and also clean up your portfolio. Next up is full control over your allocations, letting you select the periods of time that you can put your funds in, probably known as freezer as well. We have light and dark mode, giving you the full ability to customize the application to make it truly yours. Elite members also get an additional UI, which is black and gold. It's really special. You've got to sign up for an Elite subscription to get that. Yes, absolutely. The web app still functions the same. There's no changes there, so not to worry. But the mobile application is far more optimized and also has more features. For the full Big experience, go to the app store of your choice and download the app. So how accurate is the reward counter? One of our key pillars on our mobile application is actually reliability. You get your rewards twice a day, whatever time we promise. Let's say 8:15 you get your rewards, 8:15 you receive your reward. You'll be able to track this on the mobile application with a green timer that counts down, and when that notifies you, you can go in and check whether your rewards are in or not. To enhance clarity and improve comprehension, we have reclassified Freezer into fixed and flexible staking or liquidity mining. Let's jump straight into it. Let me show you where you can get fixed or flexible staking. When you choose flexible, you'll be able to deallocate and allocate anytime. For fixed term, the longer the tenure you choose, the higher the APY you get. For me here, I'm going to choose 120 months, which is 10 years. Going to confirm it, and yay, operation done. Not to worry, you can continue enjoying the passive income generated from our services without any interruption. All these entries will be ported over to fixed term staking or fixed term liquidity mining. You can now combine multiple entries on your allocations into a single batch with a unified APY. Let me show you how you can do that. So let's say, for example, I'm going to pick 1 month because I have a bunch of entries in there. And when I press merge, so let's say I'm going to merge them to 1 month. And all done. Next one I'm going to show you is how you're going to upgrade them. I'll go to 1 month as well. Upgrade from 1 month to 3 months. Confirm, and then it's all done as well. These are the 2 ways you can actually use the merge function. One is to upgrade and the other one is to just clean up your portfolio. How do I switch from light to dark mode? So first one, I need to tell you, you need to download the mobile app first. So you go to settings, go to appearance. You can choose automatic, light or dark. So for me, I like the dark mode a lot, so I'm going to change to dark mode. Look, okay, it's real nice. Elite members get exclusive UI, which is white and gold or black and gold. And if you're interested to find out more about our Elite membership, click in the description below. Our app is built on security and reliability. This is why we have a dedicated security team that does regular penetration testing when we release new features and new products. We also do it on a regular basis to actually really test our application. Our developers also go through code reviews that are secure from our security team and also other developers. Lastly, we run vulnerability disclosure policy that allows anyone in the world to actually report any security issues or any bugs they may face in our application. Join us on the Big app today. The mobile app is available on the app store of your choice. And if you have more questions, please let us know in the comments below. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos that are going to come up. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.